Global Times, 27th of September 2022, experts, the falling pound might lead to a financial system disaster in the UK. Instead of Rishi Sunak, the British lawmakers mistakenly blamed Liz Truss for the financial catastrophe. Chinese analysts stated on Tuesday that the falling pound could be a warning that the UK is headed for a financial system crisis and that Liz Truss, the incoming Prime Minister of Britain, will make matters worse with her ideology-based foreign policy. On Monday, the pound fell to its lowest level versus the US dollar since 1985. According to Zhang Monan, Deputy Director of the Institute of American and European Studies, China Center for International Economic Exchanges, financial assets in the UK are exposed to increasing risks as a result of the pound's decline, which has shaken investor confidence, led to an exodus of investors from the nation, and undermined its status as a global financial center. The pound traded at 1.0327 against the dollar on Monday with news of record tax cuts, which some analysts deemed reckless, and dropped to its lowest point since 1985 on Tuesday, hovering around 1.08 against the dollar. The share prices of UK-listed corporations have fallen due to the weakening pound. For instance, Lee family-controlled CK Asset fell 8.6% on Monday to $48.20, $6.15. Zhang noted that the pound devaluation could result in the same type of financial crises experienced by Southeast Asia and Argentina in the past. As the value of assets denominated in pounds declines, more corporations may decide to cash out and abandon the UK market. In a research note given to the Global Times on Tuesday, Yang Aoge, an analyst with the market research firm FXTM, predicted that as investors' concerns about London's economic strategy grow, the pound may drop to parity with the US dollar in short to medium term. The significantly depreciated pound co-occurred with other developed country currencies. According to a Bloomberg research published on Monday, the pound is more volatile than the Brazilian real or the Polish zloty, suggesting that projected volatility in G7 currencies is now trickier to handle than the currencies of emerging market nations. According to Zhang, several G7 nations are experiencing their worst issues since the end of World War II. They are comparable in that their economic challenges result from sanctions against Russia, which have led to inflation and an energy crisis. Although a strong US dollar is a threat in emerging market economies, there is not as much of an energy issue. Countries worldwide have taken action to support their currencies in response to the US Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate increases. According to media reports on Tuesday, the Japanese government and central bank are buying yen to support the currency, with a level of intervention that may have reached $20.7 billion last week. The European American Chamber of Commerce and Industry's chairwoman, Gao Ying, a Chinese spokeswoman, told the Global Times on Tuesday that the investments made by Chinese businesses in the UK will not be impacted by the weaker pound because they are going to innovative and technologically advanced UK businesses. However, given the UK government's restrictions on them, Chinese enterprises would still encounter challenges, according to Chinese Minister Zhang, who also noted that ideological disagreements between the Communist and the Democratic UK would cost the UK opportunity to weather the impending economic storm. Truss just committed to lessening the UK's reliance on China. According to Zhang, the declining pound will impact bilateral commerce because of the imbalanced economic and trade structures between China and the UK. Still, it won't affect the UK's exports of services like financial and insurance services.